coming home now, a change of season. I feel it's time to leave everything behind us. I miss the ocean, a place of healing. I miss the way that place would make me feel inside. This life's a journey, it's made me who I am. So let's embrace it and turn the page, my friend. Don't regret it, it opened up my world. I'm starting over, back where I belong. Now I'm home, I feel like I'm letting go. I know I need a change, 'cause now I'm home, I feel like I'm moving on with time. I hope you'll feel the same. I'm coming home now, down the highway. This town I thought I'd stay in never felt the same. The sun is shining, it's what I needed. It's taken me some years, but now I'm on my way. Now I'm home, I feel like I'm letting go. I know I need a change, 'cause now I'm home, I feel like I'm moving on with time. I hope you'll feel the same. Now I'm home, I feel like I'm letting go. I know I need a change, 'cause now I'm home, I feel like I'm moving on with time. I hope you'll feel the same. I'm coming